What is art for you? Like, just an open question.
I did my best not to imagine an answer for this. But yeah, now I'm an artist. There's an arts biennial. What am I doing here? Let's try to formulate or summarize that, so we can try to learn at least. So I brought some work with me that I did before. I'm trying to make a representation of something we really know well by adopting different languages, and try to get a new form out of that, and then share it with people. A way of communication, and in this particular work, it's already using ways of communication, sounds, graphics, music, and experimenting with its forms, making some hybrids, and providing a temporary interface for someone, at least for the curious one, to reflect on something he or she is aware, used to, or just the opposite, not at all, and hoping to see a new perspective.